Hello friends, today I will teach you how to draw school bus. First, First you have to draw wheel. Two wheels. Okay? And now draw a sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Okay? And now sleeping line one more. And now small standing line. And now sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and go to bed. And next standing line, now slanting line, now standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. Again, I am drawing window. First, you have to draw standing line, and then sleeping line, then standing line one more, and draw it one small sleeping line, one more standing line of window. Now I tell, draw it sleeping line, draw it standing line, draw it sleeping line. Okay? And now one more standing line, one more sleeping line, one more standing line, one more sleeping line. Okay, done? And then you have to standing line do it, sleeping line do it, standing line do it, and sleeping line do it. Okay? Now I do it. One more standing line, one more sleeping line, one more standing line, one more sleeping line. Okay? Okay. Now I again standing line, again sleeping line, again standing line, again sleeping line. Okay? Okay. And again standing line, again sleeping line, again standing line, again sleeping line. Do it. Small window, standing line, small sleeping line, one more standing line, small window. Okay?
Start.
Now I draw a traffic light of bed. Curve and one more curve. Okay? And one traffic light. One more curve and one more curve. Okay? And now circle is small and one slanted line, two slanted line, three slanted line, four slanted line of the circle, the sides. Okay? And one more slanted line of front, the
S.
Will be I don't know. B. Look here.